Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech Basics. Today we're diving into a quick tutorial on how to download Fidelity Bank application on a device. Stick around as we walk you through the simple steps to get the app up and running smoothly on your phone. Let's get started. First of all, make sure that you are connected to the internet. After that, find App Store if you are an iOS user and find Play Store if you are an Android user, then open it. In the search bar, type in Fidelity, then click on search. Scroll down until you see this icon. You can also see that it is published by Ghana Limited, Fidelity Bank of Ghana Limited. Then click on it. Now click on Get button. You need to verify using your Face ID, fingerprint or an passcode. After the verification is done, your download will be started shortly. When the download is completed, click on Open to use the application. We hope you found this tutorial helpful. Do not forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Feel free to leave any questions or suggestions in the comments down below. Thank you.